everyone! Today I'm gonna be teaching you the study of plotting journey, or you're gonna learn how to have a basic editor and how to create your first code. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna first install our editor called Sublime Text. So I'm gonna go to Sublime Text here. Now I'm going to download the Windows 64-bit. And I will be back once this is finished. Okay, so I installed it and we're going to go and we're going to get Sublime Text. We're going to open it. So, I have some code ready here. This one was complete, so just try and copy the code for now. I will explain how this works eventually, but right now it's just called the Start Your Farting Journey in a folder that has a really funny name. This folder will make you fart. What's the name? Okay, so now I'm just gonna quickly finish some stuff in the body here. You will fart. I will use Okay, so I'm gonna head over to my desktop here, and I'm gonna go to my folder, Sublime Text 3. It's this code folder, make you fart. Start your farting journey. Okay, so this file. So now we got it. Just make it a HTML file. Now, so Sublime Text sometimes does this thing where like it doesn't really kind of transfer the file. Okay, there it is. So start your farting journey. So there we go. So that's your first HTML thing. You will fart! I will use my mind control! And definitely will. Come back for the next episode where I will explain all these crazy things I've done in my Sublime Text file. I will teach you how to start a document and all the great stuff. Thank you for watching and bye. I said bye. Goodbye. Just leave.